Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Sandia Spotter machine. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it will help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So if your recovery tank latch is damaged or broken and we have to replace it, super simple. Go ahead and remove the recovery tank from the solution tank. And now we have 4 Phillips head screws that we have to take out. Start on the bottom side. Okay, there's the bottom. And now there is 2 more on the top side of the latch on your recovery tank. Just like that. Now, go ahead and take your new latch. Line up your Phillips screws. Now just get them started. And now we can tighten this one back down. And do the same thing for the bottom latch. Now you want to make sure on the bottom latch that this little lip is pointing down. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below, or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.